Hello everyone! Welcome back to the PrintGizmo tutorial series. In one of our previous videos, we learned how to create additional options and assign product options. In today's video, we will focus on option rules and how you can use them to give your customers a more personalized and seamless shopping experience. Let's get started. First, go to the Products section in your admin panel. Select the product for which you want to create option rules. From the Action dropdown, choose Rules, then click the Add button. Give your rule a name, for example, Rule 1. Now, select the type of rule you want to apply from the dropdown. Here are the available rule types: size, quantity. Hide additional options based on the selected size and quantity. Size additional option. Hide an additional option based on a specific size and additional option combination. Additional option. Hide an additional option based on the selection of another option. Size quantity additional option. Apply the rule based on a combination of size, quantity, and additional option. Additional option based size hide. Hide specific product sizes based on the selection of an additional option. These options can vary for products with custom or dynamic sizes. For those, you will see options to set rules based on product area, perimeter, width, or height instead of fixed size selections. Let's create a rule using the additional option-based rule type for a standard product. From the Select Option dropdown, choose Full Color Both Sides. Then in the Additional Options section, select Production Time, Same Day to hide. Set the status to Active and click Save. Now let's verify this on the storefront. When a customer selects Full Color Both Sides under Paper Sides, the Same Day option will no longer appear under Production Time. Only next day and 3 business days will be available for selection. That is how you can create option rules to make the buying process more intuitive and tailored for your customers. If you have any questions, our support gurus are ready to help. You can reach us anytime through live chat on your PrintGizmo dashboard. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.